Nothing says Valentine's Day like getting your paint out and 2 brushes, pink and white, or red, red works too, black and brown. We're gonna start with drawing some easy shapes, so you get your pencil, cause I got my Sharpie. Big oval at the top. Make it a little bit crooked, cause crooked is cuter. And under it, a heart. What's the Gen Z heart? Oh, I did it. Some more little crooked ovals. Half circles, 3/4 circles, 2/3 circles. You already know that's gonna be cute. You already know. Background color, any color you want. I'm gonna do pink because it's Valentine's Day. Fill in the background. I like to outline it first and then fill in the other spots. No, you stay in the lines. Rinse out your brush. Now I'm gonna do the heart with just the regular pink. It might take 2 coats. Let it dry for a sec, and then put another coat on. White and brown, not too much white. And just fill in the bear, that's all. Filling it in. And I can turn my brush the skinny direction to get really skinny lines. So like around the outline. Ears, turn your wrist. Your fingers, turn your fingers. Just swirl that square brush. It fills it right in like magic. And the feet, but they're wet, so hold on. I'm gonna go dry it again. Now we're gonna put his little hands, feet, front holdy feet. So start a little bit outside of the heart and twirl. We just fill it in. Just do a circle. Fill it in. Do we really have to let it dry again? I'm gonna take that brown that I had and add a lot more white. And we're doing another oval. Believe it or not. Mini 2/3 circles in the ears. Mini 2/3 circle. Round brush time. Same color. We're just gonna loosely outline the whole guy. I pick up sometimes, so it's not perfect. Stop being perfect. We're going crazy. Rinse your brush. Fun heart time. Back to your pink. And dip your little finger. Watch this. Stamp. 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 stamp, stamp. Stop. If you don't know when to stop, stop. Pink, red, and white. Stamp, stamp, stamp. We'll fix it with our brush just a little. A heart. 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 Fill it in. Grab some black. You guessed it, time for an oval. Straight down, just a line. A smile line. Outline time. Outline the paws and the heart and the paws. Oh, pick it up a little. Eye time. They're just little circles. Okay. His little paws, right here, just lines. Rinse your brush. White. Swipe on top of the nose. 2 dots in each eye. This end of my brush. And I can take this end and hardly push. Cute, easy, cute and easy.